In this video, I'm going to show you how to track order on Shop app. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Shop app application. Now from here in our home screen to track our orders, as you can see, we have these five icons in the bottom. And we are on the first icon, which is our home page. So simply tap on the fourth icon to track our orders. So as you can see right here, you can track all your orders here. So you can either add orders. So in my case, I haven't added any accounts yet. That's why there is no orders right here. So if you want to add an order, you can simply tap here and add orders, and you can connect your email and Amazon accounts. Also, if you don't want to connect your account, simply tap add a package manually. And from here, you can add the tracking number, the package name, and the carrier, and simply tap on add order. You can also tap here in the bottom, track orders automatically instead, but you'll need to connect your Gmail or your Outlook or your Amazon account. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.